Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I build another automatic date watch. I will be using this NH35 movement, having a white Arabic date dial. Along with this unique painted dial, I really liked this dial, with the funny cartoon characters painted in a two-tone black and white color scheme. Hope this build turns out good. Let's start by removing the dial feet that are not required. I use a flush cutter to cut the feet. And then use a file to smoothen the cuts. The two dial feet align with the two slots in the movement. Carefully place the dial on the movement, aligning the feet with the slots. Then press 2 fit firmly. Pull the crown out to the time setting position and set the time to midnight. Turn the crown clockwise until the date just ticks over. Let's start attaching the hands now. First, the hour hand. Align the hand pointing exactly to the 12 o'clock mark. Then press using the hand setting tool. Ensure the hand moves without interference, and then set the time back to midnight. Next hand to attach is the minutes hand. Align the hand pointing exactly to the 12 o'clock mark. Then press using the hand setting tool. Ensure both hands move without any interference. Last hand to attach is the seconds hand. Carefully align the hand. Then press using the hand setting tool. Push the crown back inside and the seconds hand should start ticking. Check the hand movement one last time before we put it inside the watch case. This is the watch case I am using for today's build. It is a 36mm all black metal case. Let's remove the case back by unscrewing it. Remove the rubber seal and keep it safe. Unscrew and remove the crown. Carefully flip the movement to remove the stem. When the crown is pushed in and the watch is working, this lever will be visible. Push the lever to pull the stem out. Flip the movement back onto a cushion. Gently place the case front on top of the movement. And flip it again. Attach the crown to a new stem. And insert it into the movement. Measure the extra length of the stem. Remove the stem and unscrew the crown. We need to measure and cut from the threaded side of the stem. Carefully measure the length that needs to be cut. And cut. Use a file to smoothen the cut. Attach the crown back onto the stem. And insert it back into the movement. If cut in the correct length, the stem would sit flush when completely screwed in. Carefully place the rubber seal. Close the case back by screwing it in tight. I use a rubber ball for this. I think this combination of the case, dial, and hands look great. What do you think? Does it look good, or does it look too busy of a design? Let me know in the comments down below. Attach the straps. Remove the protective plastic layers. And we are done. Thank you for watching this video. Please support by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel.